How to record selfie video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. Over here, switch to video mode from the bottom panel for capturing video. Then, tap on the rotation arrows icon at the bottom right to switch to the front camera. After that, tap on the red record button to start. Here, you can take screenshots from the video by tapping on the white button at the right. You can also pause the video tapping on the pause icon and play it again to continue recording. As you are done recording, you can view the recorded video from the small preview icon in the bottom left corner of the screen by opening your gallery. Following these steps, you can easily record a selfie video on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.